Dilip Kumar was born Muhammad Yusuf Khan in a Hind-ko Pashto-speaking Elant family of 12 children on December 11, 1922 at his house in the Kisakawani Bazaar area of Peshawar in what is now Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. His father Lala Ghulam Sarwar was a landlord and fruit merchant who owned orchards in Peshawar and Vyalali in Maharashtra, India. Dilip Kumar was schooled at Barnes School, Vyalali. 10 In the late 1930s, his family relocated to Bombay. Around 1940, while still in his teens and after an altercation with his father, Dilip Kumar left home for Pune with the help of an Iranian cafe owner and an elderly Anglo-Indian couple. Kumar met a canteen contractor without letting on his family antecedents. He got the job on the merit of his knowledge of good written and spoken English. He managed to set up a sandwich stall at the Army Club, and when the contract ended he headed home to Bombay, having saved Rs. 5,000 in 1942. Anxious to start some venture to help out his father with household finances, he met Drive mate Johnny at Churchgate Station to ask him to accompany him to Bombay Talkies in Malad. Here he met actress Divikarani, owner of Bombay Talkies, to ask him to sign up with the company on a pay of Rs. 1250 per year. Here he met actor Ashok Kumar, who was to influence his acting style, telling him to act natural. He also met Sashadhar Mukherjee, and both these people became very close to Kumar over the years. Initially Kumar helped out in the story writing and scripting department because of his proficiency in Urdu language. Divikarani requested to change his name from Yusuf to Dilip Kumar and later cast him in the lead role for the film Chorbuda 1944, which marked Dilip Kumar's entry into the Hindi film industry. Carried 1940. Nargis Raj Kapoor and Dilip Kumar in a scene from the film Mandaz. Dilip Kumar's first film Chorbuda 1944 went unnoticed. It was Jug New 1947, in which he starred alongside Noorjahan, that became his first major hit at the box office. His next major hit was the 1948 film He got his breakthrough role with Mehboob Khan's Andaz 1949, in which he starred alongside Raj Kapoor and Nargis in a love triangle story. Shagnam, also released that year, was also a hit. 1950. He went on to have success in the 1950s with playing leading roles in romantic films like Jogan 1950, Tarana 1951, Hulko 1951, Dieter 1951, Bane 1952, Dog 1952, Uran Katola, Devas 1955, Beauty 1958, and Maghumati 1958. These films established his screen image as the tragedy king. He also played an anti-hero in Mehboob Khan's Amar 1954. In the films he was cast opposite Noorjahan and Komanai Kaushal. It was the female lead whose name would appear first in credits, and female actress were paid more than him. He also starred in many social drama films like Footpath 1953, Nia Door 1957, Muzaffar 1957, and Paytham 1959. He was the first actor to win the Filmfare Best Actor award for Dog, and went on to win it a further 7 times in his career. 13 He formed popular on-screen pairings with many of the top actresses at the time, including Madhu Balat, Vijay Thimala, Nargis, Nimi, Meena Kumari, and Komanai Kaushal. In an attempt to shed his tragedy king image, Dilip Kumar took up his psychiatrist's suggestion that he take on light-hearted roles. In Mehboob Khan's blockbuster Musicala 1952, he played the swashbuckling peasant in what marked his first film in Technicolor. He co-starred with Deb Anand in the 1955 adventure film Insani. He had further success with lighter roles as a thief in Azar 1955 and as Royal Prince in Coleman 1960. 13 In 1960 he portrayed Prince Salim in K. Cassett's big-budget epic historical film Mughal Days, in which his 2008 was the second highest grossing film in Hindi film history. 14 The film told the story of Prince Salim, who revolts against his father Akbar, played by Prithviraj Kapoor, and falls in love with a courtesan played by Madhu Balat. The film was mostly shot in black and white, only some scenes in the latter half of the film in color. 44 years after its original release, it was fully colorized. released and re-released in 2004. 1960 Koh-i-Noor and Mughal-e-Azam were both blockbusters in 1960. In 1961 he produced and starred in Pungajam unit opposite his frequent leading lady Vijay Thimala and his brother Nasir Khan. This was the only film he produced. In 1962 British director David Lean offered him a role of Sharif Ali in his film Lawrence of Arabia 1962, but Dilip Kumar declined to perform in the movie. 15 A role eventually went to Omar Sharif. The Egyptian actor Dilip Kumar comments in his much later released autobiography he thought Omar Sharif had played a role far better than he himself could have. 16 His next film Leader 1964 was a below-average grosser at the box office. In 1991 he starred alongside fellow veteran actor Raj Kumar in Saudagar, his third and last film with director Subhash Ghai. This was his second film with Raj Kumar after 1959's film. Saudagar was Kumar's last box office success and would be his penultimate film. 23 In 1993 he won the Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award. In 1992 producer Sudhakar Bhokade announced the film titled Kalinga, which would be directed by and star Kumar in the leading role. After being delayed for several years, Kalinga was eventually left incomplete and shelved. 24 In 1998 he made his last film appearance in Dilip, where he played dual roles as an evil landowner who is murdered and as his twin brother who tries to solve the mystery of his death. India Today in their review dismissed Kumar's dialogue delivery out of sync. 25 2000 In 2001 he was set to appear in a film titled Survey Impact alongside Ajay Devgan, which was shelved. 26 His classic films Mughal-e-Azam and Door were fully colorized and re-released in cinemas in 2004 and 2008 respectively. 27 Public Life Kumar was nominated as a member of the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the Parliament of India, by the Indian National Congress for the period 2000 to 2006. Personal life. This section's tone or style may not reflect the encyclopedic tone used on Wikipedia. See Wikipedia's Guide to Writing Better articles for suggestions. November 2016 Learned how and when to remove this template message. Dilip Kumar first fell in love with married actress Kamini Kaushal. 30 He then was in love with the actress Madhu Bala, but they parted ways as her family was opposed to their union. 31-32 Vijay Thimala was considered by film fans as Kumar's third love. They have denied rumors of an affair. Both of them have had many successful films as a pair. In the period 1955 to 1968 he married actress Sarah Banu, who was 22 years younger than him. In 1966 he married a second time in 1980 to Asma, but the marriage ended soon after. 33 Dilip Kumar undertook a pilgrimage to Mecca in 2013 along with his wife Sarah. 30 Awards and popularity. Edit Dilip Kumar is widely considered as one of the greatest actors in the history of Hindi cinema. 567 He holds the Guinness World Record for winning the maximum number of awards by an Indian actor. 39-40 He has received many awards throughout his career, including 8 Filmfare Best Actor awards and 19 Filmfare nominations. 41 He was honored with the Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award in 1993. 42 Kumar was appointed Sheriff of Mumbai, an honorary position, in 1980. 42 The Government of India honored Kumar with the Padma Bhushan in 1991, the Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 1994 and the Padma Vibhushan in 2015. The Government of Andhra Pradesh honored Kumar with NTR National Award in 1997. The Government of Pakistan conferred Kumar with Nishan-e-Imtiaz, the highest civilian award in Pakistan, in 1997.